Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Under Order 8, Rule 6A of CPC, against whom can a defendant not file a counterclaim? Option A, the plaintiff. Option B, the judge. Option C, another co-defendant. And option D, any third party. The correct answer is option C. As per Order 8, Rule 6A of the CPC, defendant is not permitted to file a counterclaim against another defendant who is a co-defendant also. The counterclaim can only be filed against the plaintiff. The Supreme Court in the case of Rahul Manoj Shah alias Rajeshwari Rasiklal Sheth versus Kiranbai Shakrabai Patel and another reaffirmed that the counterclaim is only permissible against the plaintiff and filing it against a co-defendant is impermissible. Question number 2. Is it arbitrary to bar non-Muslims from creating waqfs under the Waqf Amendment Act 2025? Option A, yes, it is arbitrary. Option B, no, it is not arbitrary. Option C, it is arbitrary only for certain properties. And option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. In re, the Waqf Amendment Act 2025 observed that barring non-Muslims from donating property to be considered as waqf is not arbitrary. Non-Muslims can still donate property by creating a charitable trust. The court passed an interim order staying certain provisions of the Waqf Amendment Act 2025, including Section 3, Clause 1, Clause R, which requires a person to be practicing Islam for at least 5 years to dedicate property as waqf. Question number 3. What is the time limit for sending a woman alleged to be a victim of rape for medical examination as per Section 164A, Clause 1 of the CRPC? Option A, 24 hours. Option B, 12 hours. Option C, 48 hours. And option D, 72 hours. The correct answer is option A. According to Section 164A, Clause 1 of the CRPC, a woman alleged to be a victim of rape should be medically examined within 24 hours from the time the information regarding the rape is received by the police. Question number 4. Further examination after the cross-examination of a witness by a party who has called him is termed as option A, main examination, option B, additional examination, option C, re-examination, and option D, re-cross-examination. The correct answer is option C. Re-examination following cross-examination, the party who originally called the witness can then re-examine them to clarify or address any points raised during cross-examination. Question number 5. The right of private defense of property is not available against the offense of option A, criminal trespass, option B, mischief, option C, theft, and option D, criminal misappropriation. This was also the question which was asked in Chhattisgarh Prelims 2023, and the correct answer is option D. Criminal misappropriation refers to taking someone's property without their consent with the intention of keeping it permanently, but it doesn't involve an immediate threat to the person or their property like theft or trespass. It's the time for practice question. Article 30 of the Indian Constitution applies to option A, both minority and non-minority, option B, majority only, option C, all minorities, whether based on religion or language, and option D, all minorities based on religion and not language. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.